Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the Instagram map. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just launch the Instagram app. Now once you're in here, go ahead over to the DM icon or message icon. Okay, just tap on it. Now you're going to want to tap on map. Okay, besides here on your node, just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and go to the top right. Tap on the location settings, okay? Now in here, all you have to do is just tap on no one, don't share location. Just tap on it. Now it says here, how long would you like to turn off location sharing? But if you want to, you can go ahead and turn it off by just 3 hours or 24 hours. Also, you can go ahead and tap on until you turn it back on, okay? So I'm just going to choose this setting, tap on it, and once done, you're good to go. Now, if you really want to disable it, you can go ahead and look for the app icon or Instagram app icon right here. Tap and hold. Okay. Tap on the information icon. Now go ahead and go to permissions. Now in here, tap on location. Now just tap on don't allow. Okay. Tap on it. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.